Using Mahara to actually save and share files is one of its most useful facilities, and that's why it's actually classed as an e-portfolio, because we can save lots of things on it. Once you're in Mahara, go into My Portfolio, and then you want to click on the My Files tab. Once we're in here, you can see you've got an option of actually creating sets of folders to organise your files in, and then browsing for and uploading files. You'll see here the maximum upload file size is 8 megabytes, so you can't have huge files coming up here. The first thing you'll want to do is create a sensible folder structure so you can keep things organised. So the first thing you want to do is create a folder. And you see it's prompting me here to make sure that I actually give the folder a name. In this case, I'm going to put it as social, so that I'm going to keep some of my social pictures here that I might want to just share with my friends later. Then click on Create Folder. And you see down on my folder list here, I now have a folder called Social. If I click and open that, you see that I'm actually in Social, which is now classed my parent folder. And in Social, I might want to put some photos up from my birthday. So type in the name for that folder and click on there. Once we've got my birthday folder, I can open it up, and then I can start browsing for files that I might want to upload to put in here. I'm not allowed to actually do this until I've actually clicked on the yes box here to say that there are no copyright issues with me uploading this photograph. So it's actually trying to protect me here. Once I've ticked that, it will now enable that button, and I can click and I can actually browse and find the files that I want to. So I can go into my documents, keep going through until I find there's some of the pictures I want, and you see that very quickly it uploaded that picture into there. It was only 4.5 kilobytes, so you can see it went quite quickly. And you see here we've also got a little record of the fact that it has actually uploaded. If you decide a little bit later that this wasn't the right place to put it, you can drag the icon and move it up into another folder, and now you see go into Social, and now the picture is just in my Social folder. So we can tab through here, actually go to my home, Social, and there's the picture. So now my birthday folder's empty, and I can actually delete that because I don't want it anymore. So it allows you to actually drag things around, it allows you to create and delete, so you should be able to keep your files quite organised. You can put anything in here, from documents to videos to pictures to sound, but you have got that 8 megabytes size limit, so it could cause problems. You need to compress things or split things up if you want it to be a very big folder. The other option you do have in here is if you want to upload lots of files at the same time, you would do something similar to you might in Moodle, where you would zip up a whole folder, copy that zipped folder across, and then Mahara will allow you to extract it. So that's how you upload files and create folders in Mahara.